Milliken offered the right size of a company I wanted to work at. I felt that I could really make a difference, and I could do that early on in my career, that I could work on interesting problems and have access to different spaces within those problems, whether it be the technology space, the marketing piece, understand the end user as well. But we actually have about 100 PhDs that work here. We're a very science-driven company. We work in products ranging from additives for plastics to composites for tires and also in FR apparel. The types of problems we solve in the FR arena are all geared toward the end user. We want to make the fabric and garment more comfortable. We want to give it more protection. We want to give it new types of protection, which is exactly what we're looking for in the FR lab coat. It's interesting to learn when you talk to different people what each of them finds of value, what each of them really wants in a lab coat. The end user wants the maximum protection at the best comfort. The purchaser of these coats wants a solution that's simple. They want something where they know their people are going to be protected, and that is a simple solution. So one coat as opposed to 3, for example. If it's a laundry, they want it to last as long as possible. They want the maximum number of washes, the maximum durability. Everyone wants the best for the end user, and they all have a different perspective on it. We've tried to address that in the technology we put in the ShieldTech fabric. Westex ShieldTech is a unique fabric for me to work on because, in essence, I'm the end user for this fabric. I'm a practicing laboratory researcher. I work in a chemistry lab every day, and I'm familiar with the hazards there. The type of hazards you face are liquids in particular. These can be corrosive liquids, flammable liquids, or toxic liquids, sometimes all of the above. And you don't want those to penetrate to your undergarment and down to your skin when you're working with these types of solvents and doing chemical reactions every day. So an ideal lab coat would combine the features of daily comfort, where you can wear it every day. It lets air pass through, but it prevents these liquids from going through the garment. It also needs to be flame resistant, so that commonly there are flame hazards in the lab. So you need a flame resistant fabric, and you oftentimes work with flammable solvents. Combining the FR properties with the comfort as well as with this resistant to common laboratory liquids is critical and really makes up what you want in an ideal lab coat. We can always make it better. We can always find the area where someone isn't protected, whether that be flame or some other hazard that a fabric can protect, or new technologies that can help the world. So this is the next step in Milliken's journey, but it won't be the last.